What's up, guys? TompaBanana here for TompaBanana Creates. So something different. I bought a 3D printer, Tina 2, and it's the first 3D printer I ever owned. I have had a 3D pen, or still have a 3D pen, but never have a 3D printer. So this is the first time I'm gonna use it. Hopefully it will work. I will try to print, if you can see, the dragon. Now, let's see, 215 degrees, almost heating, doing something. Ooh, makes a lot of weird sounds. I don't know if it's supposed to do those sounds, or so I don't trust anything before I tried it, so we'll see. And I guess 2,000 Swedish kroners is around a little bit, I guess a little bit more than $200, so it's not like super expensive, but for me that works half time. Money is money, you know. But I always wanted, but the last couple of years that the 3D printers have become more common, I really wanted one. So I figured, hey, what the hell not? So yeah, I'm gonna let it do its thing, and we will come back and see what it created. It's supposed to be a dragon, so let's see. So it's done. I'm going to try to take it out, and we'll examine it closer. Okay, so I'm really impressed with the print bed, because it's flexible and it's just magnetic. You just put it down like this and, well, try to line it up better, but you understand. And this was the thing it printed it on. It got loose from the figure really easy. So one thing that I notice is that it's so light. So my 3D printer Tina 2 is still working hard. I made some more prints, and some of them are kind of simple, like this little ring thing here. That was included in the SD card. And then I found this model, but the bricks don't fit together very well, but it's just fun to try. I made the cat, and I put some sandpaper just to smoothen it out a little bit. The dragon here. And then I made, this was the third thing I made, number 3, and it might be hard to see like this, but if I hold it up against a light, you can hopefully see that it's a butterfly, and it's a picture I took myself and just used a website to make it into an STL file. I will put the link in the description there. As you can probably hopefully see, I have a lot of filament left on the roll that was included with the machine, so yeah, I'm just gonna keep on printing.